Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, continuing to experiment with that whistle out of that whistling tender. So as you see, I've got it sitting in the middle of the table. I've removed the relay for now. I've got it wired directly to a power cord. And as you see, there is a crack. I don't know if you can see that or not. There is a crack in the case right there that was actually leaking air. So I've just filled it with super glue for now. Seems to have worked. Anyway, got this wired to a transformer set at 50% power, an old Lionel switch controller, and this is the result. It's actually quite loud now. So anyway, much improved over the way it was working. It's got a noisy motor in it, no doubt about that. But like I said, you could put this inside of a building. You could hide it virtually anywhere. The plastic case has to face up because it has the air intake on the top and the whistles are actually on either side of that case. So you can't put it face down. It can't get any air that way. So it has to sit face up. But again, you could disguise it inside of a building, in a planter, in a group of trees, whatever you have on your layout. Anyway, it's fairly effective now. And I found out that increasing the power does not increase the sound. It only increases motor noise. That's about as loud as it will go. I'll turn this up full blast and you'll see the motor's running much faster, but it isn't much louder. And back to 50%. Let's see how slow we can go. There's about 30%, I think. Turn it down even more. There's about 20%. So you see that motor really has to spin to drive enough air to get through that whistle. So we'll turn it back up to 50%. But you're always going to hear the motor. There's no way around that unless you actually change the motor to a CAN motor of some kind. Anyway, it works. It's actually fairly effective now that it's working correctly anyway. It is actually fairly loud. It's fairly bulky. You know, all that is the squirrel cage blower with that box over it that has the whistles inside, so it can't leak. So when I found that crack, just fixing that helped considerably. It probably uses some kind of gasket material where it's sealed at the bottom. That could be leaking as well. But in any case, you know, for being however old this is, 60, 70 years old, it's actually working quite well. So, like I said, you could stash it even under your layout table. It's still loud enough. It wasn't very effective as a whistle tender, that's for sure. But the whistle itself is actually quite efficient. Once you get it straightened out and wired to some decent power, it actually works quite well. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.